Whenever I look up at the night sky, I can't help but feel a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe. It's like staring at a cosmic masterpiece, painted with stars and planets and the endless canvas of space. Each twinkling star seems to whisper secrets, almost like it's inviting us to unravel the mysteries of the universe. And it makes me think, what exactly lies out there beyond our reach? What are the hidden stories of those distant galaxies, and how do they connect to us here on Earth? When I was a kid, I used to lie on the grass in my backyard, just gazing up at the sky. I'd lose myself in the vastness above, imagining that each star was a tiny beacon in a sea of possibilities. I remember feeling the cool grass underneath me and the gentle breeze brushing against my skin. It felt like the universe was alive, breathing along with me. I could almost hear the whisper of the cosmos in the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft hum of crickets. Back then, I didn't know much about stars or black holes or the concept of infinity, but I was captivated by the idea that there were worlds beyond my own waiting to be discovered. Let's start with the stars themselves. They're like the storytellers of the universe, each one with its own tale to tell. Did you know that the light from the stars we see today has traveled vast distances, sometimes for millions of years, just to reach our eyes? It's like peering into a time machine, glimpsing the past and maybe even the origins of everything we know. Imagine the journey of a single photon, starting from the surface of a star and traveling through the cold vacuum of space before finally reaching Earth. Isn't it humbling to think that what we see when we look up is intertwined with the history of the universe itself? And then there's the mystery of black holes. These are like the universe's secret keepers, places where the rules we know seem to break down. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape its grip. It's a concept that bends the mind, like trying to grasp the idea of an invisible, cosmic whirlpool sucking everything into its depths. Scientists have learned so much about them, yet there's still so much we don't know. What happens beyond that event horizon, and what could be on the other side? There's also the intriguing question of life beyond Earth. Are we truly alone in this vast universe, or are there other beings out there, looking up at their own skies and wondering the same thing? With so many stars and planets, the possibilities seem endless. The search for life elsewhere is a journey fueled by imagination and science, kind of like a cosmic game of hide and seek. Every signal from outer space, every mysterious anomaly, feels like a clue in a detective story where the final revelation could change everything we know about our place in the universe. I once had a conversation with a friend who was also fascinated by these mysteries. We sat on the porch one evening, the air filled with the smell of fresh dew as the night crept in around us. We talked about what it would be like to meet beings from another planet, how it could reshape our understanding of life and identity. We laughed at the possibilities, yet behind our laughter was a shared belief that in the grand tapestry of the universe, there's so much more to discover. The universe also holds mysteries on a much smaller scale, like the particles that make up everything around us. These tiny components, invisible to the naked eye, dance in patterns and forms that govern the very essence of matter. They remind me of a symphony, each particle playing its part in the grand orchestra of the cosmos, creating the world as we know it. It's fascinating to think that beneath the surface of everyday life lies a realm of complexity and wonder, waiting to be explored. As I reflect on these mysteries, I find myself drawn to the idea of connection. We are all part of this vast universe, made from the same stardust that forms the stars themselves. It's a thought that resonates deeply, like the gentle echo of a distant melody. We are small, yes, but interconnected with everything around us. This realization gives a sense of purpose and belonging in a universe that can sometimes feel overwhelmingly vast and unknown. So as you go about your day, maybe take a moment to look up at the sky. Let the wonder of the universe draw you in, and remember that you are a part of this incredible cosmic story. The mysteries of the universe are not just out there, they are also within us, shaping our thoughts, dreams, and the very fabric of our existence. In every question we ask and every answer we seek, we become part of the endless quest to understand the universe and, ultimately, ourselves.